Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a little, well, it's a Chinese-made Dimple cylinder padlock made by somebody called Sepa, who I'm not familiar with. But it is interesting because it does have a 3-axis bitting. You can probably see here we've got top pins, bottom pins, which seem to be touching, and side pins as well. So you can see the bitting on the key that goes with that. When I got this lock was very dry, had to spray a bit of lubricant in there. If you ever get one of these, just be aware they don't seem to be very well lubricated from the factory. But yeah, let's throw some advice and see if we can pick it using a Dimple flag and maybe a hook for the side bitting. Okay, so we're in the vise. Here is the lovely key. You'll notice that this only turns an 1/8 of a turn, which is important because it means we should be able to open the padlock without breaking the lock by swapping pins over in the various pin chambers. I can put in the turning tool here. That feels good. And use my flag to start picking the top and bottom bittings. So firm tension. And that's pin 1. Onto pins 2, you do have to sort of find your way into them. Top, there's a nice click. Nothing on the bottom just yet. 3. Bottom feels like it's binding, a little click. And 4, so let's go back through now. So 1 at the top, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, 4 now at the bottom. And a little bit at the top. So back to pin chamber 1, little touch. 2, 3 at the top, and we are open. I didn't have to worry about that side bitting. Please open without breaking. Got it. Phew. I was so worried that somehow I'd just like break this lock by swapping some pins over, but it seems to work absolutely fine. It is shimmable as well, but not that we do that because we're lock pickers. Yeah, cool little lock, a fun little pick. It's good to find a padlock with a 3-axis bitting and a dimple lock configuration. It's a shame that side bitting didn't come in. I think if you look here, there's probably only 2 pins, and both of them seem to be they're probably 0 lift, so as long as you don't touch them, you're probably okay. But yeah, very cool little lock. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like. If you have any comments about this, have you picked one yourself, do let me know. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, now's a good time to do so to see more content like this, and of course I'll see you all next time.